Are you interested in dividend investing? In a world where money makes more money, dividend investing stands as a beacon of passive income. And today, we delve into the 3 dividend stocks that are making waves in the investment landscape this March. Kicking off our rundown is Dollarama, a titan in the Canadian value retail. As a leading dollar store chain, it has carved out a significant market share in the economically sensitive market. Dollarama's business model is hinged on providing a wide array of everyday items at low costs, catering to the needs of budget-conscious consumers. This approach has proven fruitful, helping the company maintain a strong foothold even in challenging economic climates. Moreover, Dollarama's dividend payment history is as noteworthy as its business resilience. Despite economic turbulence, it has consistently rewarded its shareholders, boasting a dividend yield of about 0.35%. This combination of resilience, profitability, and shareholder return makes Dollarama a standout player in the dividend investing arena. A company that not only weathers adversity, but manages to thrive under pressure. That's Dollarama for you. Let's proceed to Waste Connections. This accomplished waste management company is renowned for its strategic acquisitions, a growth scheme that has consistently thrusted the company forward, despite any looming economic instability. As one of the leading players in the waste management industry, Waste Connections has managed to position itself firmly in the market, delivering reliable and essential services to a broad consumer base. Their growth strategy is primarily focused on methodical acquisitions, investing in businesses that synergize with their own, thus enhancing their market share and bolstering their competitive edge. This strategic approach has undeniably been instrumental in their exponential growth over the years. Moreover, Waste Connections is widely recognized for its generous dividend payouts. In fact, it has a history of steadily increasing dividends, providing its investors with a steady income stream. They've consistently paid out robust dividends, making it an attractive investment option for those seeking both growth and income. This unique blend of persistent growth coupled with a solid dividend yield creates a delectable recipe for success in the investing arena. Lastly, in our lineup, we feature Pizza Royalty, a name that stands tall in the franchised restaurant business realm. Not just known as a successful operator, Pizza Royalty is revered for its deep understanding of the fast-paced food industry and its constant efforts to keep investors content. Their fine-tuned ability to dish out a portion of their profits in the form of dividends is a testament to their shareholder-focused approach. Pizza Royalty's business operations are based on a well-thought-out strategy that combines quality, cost-effectiveness, and customer satisfaction. Their business model is resilient as they cater to a wide range of demographics, and their menu's diversity gives them a competitive edge in an otherwise saturated market. This unique approach has enabled them to maintain a consistent cash flow, making them an enticing choice for those seeking a reliable source of income. Their competitive advantage lies not only in their diverse menu, but also in their innovative marketing strategies, excellent customer service, and strategic locations. The company's commitment to using fresh, high-quality ingredients and offering a varied selection of pizza toppings has helped them carve a niche for themselves in the market. As for their dividend payout ratio, Pizza Royalty stands as an exemplar of generous returns. The company has consistently maintained a high payout ratio, serving up a slice of its profits to its investors, which is reflective of their strong financial health and investor-centric approach. This combination of steady cash flow and a high dividend payout ratio makes Pizza Royalty a tantalizing option for income-seeking investors. So, there you have it. 3 companies, 3 robust dividend stocks, each one offering a unique blend of resilience, profitability, and most importantly, an opportunity for passive income. Investing in these dividend stocks could be your ticket to financial freedom. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful stock picks. Remember, the world of investing is vast and ever-changing. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let your money do the talking.